The question says the set of quantum numbers not applicable for an electron in an atom. Okay, which set of quantum number is not possible for an electron in an atom? Okay, so always keep in mind n value, the minimum value of n is what? 1. N is principal quantum number value. Then if we determine L value, that is azimuthal quantum number value. So L value is always less than N value by 1 unit. By 1 unit. So we have the formula for L. L is equal to 0. L value will always start from 0. And then we have N minus 1. Because L value is always less than N value by 1 unit. Okay. N value if it is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So L value will always be 0. If N value is 1, then L value will always be 0. Okay, this is how we determine. And if I have to determine ML value, so in this case ML value, that is magnetic quantum number value, depends on azimuthal quantum number value. In this case minus L, 0, and we have plus L. Minimum value of L, then you go to the maximum value of L. And we have to include 0 also. If L value is 0, ML value will always be 0. And S spin quantum number value will be either plus half or minus half. This is how we have the relation. First option, you can see first set of quantum numbers. N value is 1. So L value is supposed to be 0. But here L value is given 1. That is not possible. Because L value is always less than N value by 1 unit. If N value is 1, L value should be 0. You can see we have this the incorrect set of quantum numbers. N value 1, L value 0, that is correct. N value 1, L value 0, that is correct. N value 2, L value will be 0, 0 possible, because if N value is 2 is there, so L value will be 0 and 1 is there. Maximum value of L will be 1. But 0 is also possible. So this set of quantum number is possible. Okay. If L value 0, M value will also be 0. Okay. If L value 1, M value is 1. Possible, because if I take, we have L value 1. So M value will be minus 1, 0, it is plus 1. So 1 is possible. Okay. The first set of quantum number is not correct because N and L value are same. But N as well as N, we have N as well as L value can never be same. Always keep in mind. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.